Hey everyone. We're out of the kitchen today. Really quick video. I just want to say thank you to everybody. Today we hit 1,000 subscribers. So for those of you that don't know me, my name is Jason Lynch. I'm based out of Las Vegas, Nevada. I started full-time heavy duty into YouTube in September of last year after I lost my kind of corporate America executive job. And now I'm kind of looking for the next big thing. So I'd like to welcome everybody new to the channel who's joined in the past month. I posted a Tesla video probably a couple weeks ago, and that video hit 15,000 views in less than a week, and it's doing really, really well. But there was also about 80 some odd subscribers to the channel based off that one video. So I want to thank and welcome all the new Tesla people to the channel as well. My channel is basically based off of things that I like to nerd out about and talk about. Started with kind of fancy electric bikes and got into camera gear, and it seems like the Tesla content went not viral, but at least for the channel it went viral. But I just talk about things that I own or believe in, and I want to give you the real honest kind of lowdown on what I think about a product or situation or just thought experiment. None of my stuff is typically sponsored. And if it is, I'm very, very clear about that. As the channel grows, maybe there'll be more opportunities for that. But right now, it's just you and me talking. The other thing I'm really big about as well is that if there's any content that you guys want to see or things you want me to talk about, let me know. I'm into everything from gadgets to electronics to cooking. I might do a couple cooking videos out here because I got some pretty interesting barbecue equipment. But I got a lot of toys, let's put it that way. And so they're just expect kind of a variety of things. It's more heavily weighted into camera gear and video gear, but I'm planning on a couple trips this year, one to Europe, I think that might happen. So if you want to follow me on my adventures, I appreciate it. Again, if there's anything you want to see, please let me know as well. And again, just thank you everybody for sticking with me. Take care.